Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss how to add free VPN in Windows 11. Open any browser, go to the website vpnbook.com, then select PPTP tab. Here you can see server from different countries. Click Start menu. Click Search bar, then tap Task Manager. Then open Task Manager. Click File option. Then select Run New Task. Then click Browse. Click this PC. Click Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Open System32 folder. Find CMD file. Double click CMD. Check the box. Click OK. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Click Start menu. Then click Settings. Then click Network and Internet. Click VPN. Then turn on both options. Click Add VPN. Select VPN provider Windows built-in. Click Connection Name. Then copy username. Paste the username into the connection name. Here you will see different country server. Copy the server of your preferred country. Paste the server here. Select VPN type automatic. Copy the username again. Paste the username here. Type password. You have to type the password that appears here. Then click Save. Then connect VPN. You can see that my VPN is connected. If you want to disconnect VPN, click Disconnect. Thanks for watching.